Welcome to English Animation. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your stay.
Hey Mia, you know how we both love cooking and always dreamt of doing something about it?
Yeah, Aria. We've had some amazing times experimenting in the kitchen. Why?
Well, I was thinking, how about we start a food blog? We could share our unique recipes.
Aria, that's a fantastic idea. I've always admired your creativity in the kitchen.
Thanks, Mia, and your dedication and precision is something I admire. I think we'd make a great team.
I couldn't agree more, Aria. We should definitely give this a try.
I'm glad you're on board. Let's brainstorm ideas for our first few posts.
Definitely. We need a catchy name for the blog too. Something that reflects our love for food and friendship.
Yes, I love that. We'll create something amazing, Mia. I'm sure of it.
I have no doubt, Aria. Here's to the start of a new adventure in the world of food blogging.
Mia, we need to decide on a blog name. Any ideas?
It's harder than I thought. It needs to resonate with our cooking adventures.
Exactly. What about savory stories? We tell stories through our dishes, after all.
That's catchy, Aria, but it might not convey our friendship. Remember, our bond is a big part of this.
True, Mia. Then how about cooking comrades? It suggests friendship and cooking.
I like that, Aria, but it feels a bit formal, don't you think?
You have a point, Mia. We need something casual and relatable.
What about friendship flavors? It reflects both our friendship and our passion for food.
I love that, Mia. It's warm, inviting, and speaks to what we're all about.
I'm glad you like it, Aria. So, friendship flavors, it is then?
Absolutely, Mia. Friendship flavors it is. Now that we have our blog name, Mia, what's our first post going to be?
Well, Aria, I think it should be a dish that has a special place in our hearts.
That's a great idea, Mia. What about the first dish we cooked together?
Oh, Aria, you mean the spaghetti bolognese we made during that summer camp?
Yes, Mia, exactly. That experience kicked off our cooking journey.
I remember, Aria, we even set off the smoke alarm.
Haha, Mia, yes. It was a disaster, but also fun. We learned so much.
True, Aria. And it's a great story for friendship flavors. So we're making spaghetti bolognese then.
Absolutely, Mia. We can share the recipe and our story as well.
I love it, Aria. Let's start with that.
Mia, do you remember how we adjusted the recipe back in the camp?
Oh yes, Aria. We added extra garlic and reduced the meat, right?
Correct, Mia. We should do the same for our blog post.
Agreed, Aria. That's the true friendship flavors recipe.
Mia, I was thinking, should we also share some tips on how to avoid setting off the smoke alarm?
That's a great idea, Aria. Safety tips can be very helpful.
Exactly, Mia. We don't want our followers to repeat our mistakes.
You're right, Aria. We learned it the hard way. Time to pass on the wisdom.
So, Mia, we have the recipe, the story, and the tips. What else do we need?
I believe that's all, Aria. Now we just need to cook and document everything.
Let's get started, Mia. I can already smell the success.
Me too, Aria. Let's make our first post unforgettable.
Mia, do you think we should take pictures as we cook?
Absolutely, Area. It will make our blog post more interactive and engaging.
Great, Mia. I was thinking the same thing. I will handle the photography.
Sounds perfect, Area. I trust your photography skills.
Thank you, Mia. Let's make sure we also capture our mistakes. They might be funny.
That's a great idea, Area. It will show our readers that it's okay to make mistakes.
Exactly, Mia. We can make a section called Behind the Scenes.
I love that idea, Area. This is going to be so much fun.
Mia, are we ready to start our cooking adventure?
I believe we are, Area. Let's get cooking.
Let's do this, Mia. I can't wait to see the final result.
Me too, Area. This is going to be a journey to remember.
Mia, we did it. We finally cooked everything on our list.
Indeed, Area. It feels great, doesn't it?
Yes, Mia. I've learned so much about cooking and about our friendship.
Same here, Area. It's amazing how cooking together brought us even closer.
So true, Mia. We've not only created dishes, but also memories.
Absolutely, Area. Each dish tells a story about our friendship.
Yes, Mia. I'm glad we decided to document our cooking adventure.
Me too, Area. This experience was more enriching than I expected.
Agreed, Mia. What was your favorite part?
The laughs we shared, Area. What about you?
The same, Mia, and the satisfaction of completing our goal.
Couldn't agree more, Area. Here's to more adventures together. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. This is English Animation. See you next time. Bye.